Hey everyone, I'm Chris Parisi, founder of Trailblaze Marketing.
And I'm Kyle Steinberg, lead engineer.
And today we're going to make a special announcement. That's right, we launched our first AI tool called Blaze AI. So what we want to do with you is say like, what is this Blaze AI tool? What do you guys have in store? Who is this for? So I figured who best to bring in to talk about it than Kyle, who's led this project. Kyle, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
And we're going to talk right into first question. What the heck is Blaze AI?
So Blaze AI is currently a SOP generator. So it's really for everyone that's just beginning their digital marketing journeys. It'll help you with basic setups with GA4, your meta, your SEO, website, just a whole host of different platforms and solutions.
And for like those watching right now, you may be in like, is this for me? Like, who are we talking about here? Like, who's this going to be helpful for?
So one of the big things here at Trailblaze is we always try to help out the small to medium businesses. So this is for those that are just beginning their digital marketing journey. So like I said, anything from, simple GA4 setups to GTM integrations, all those kind of things to really just get your digital marketing journey started.
So like, for instance, I'm a small business owner. I have to add a pixel for Meta, for Meta ads, and I have no clue what to do. I can just go to this tool, say like, hey, I want to use a Meta platform. Can you help me? Like, how do I set up my pixel? Is that correct?
Yep. So a simple query just like that, how do I set up my Meta pixel? And it will give you a simple step-by-step process to get that on your site. So that way you can start tracking your Facebook ads and your organic traffic.
So let's go behind the scenes a little bit. Like, what kind of system is it?
So Blaze AI is just a nice, simple RAG solution. So what that means is retrieval augmented generation. So essentially what it has is our SOPs on the back end. And when you ask it these questions, it's referring to those SOPs directly. So that way we don't have anything what is considered hallucinations where it'll start making up information. It's all very grounded inside of that documentation.
Controlled.
Yep, and very controlled.
Okay, great. So I know this is going to be a soft launch. So literally those listening are pretty much the only ones knowing that this is live. It's actually live right now. We just didn't tell anyone. You're the first one to know. So where can they go to start playing with this AI tool?
So yeah, if you just go to ai.trailblaze.marketing, there'll be a little chat bubble in the bottom right. And as soon as you click it, Blaze will introduce himself and then you're on your way.
You got to go just to see who this Blaze AI character is. He's a cool little guy. So is this it? Is this the only tool we're doing, or are there future updates?
This is not the only tool. This is just the beginning for Trailblaze as a whole and Blaze as a final system. So what we have coming up is more updates for Blaze. So we'll have additional platforms and SOPs. Our next big two that we're tackling are going to be Wix and HubSpot. Some very powerful platforms that are really coming into their own right now.
And what else is we going to have after Blaze AI?
So after Blaze is probably the most advantageous tool for small businesses that are just getting started, and it's going to be a strategy guide. So essentially, it's just going to be a nice step-by-step process. You'll answer some questions about your business, your audience, and it will spit you out a strategy guide that's tailored to your business, targeting your markets, what platforms, and how you should reach that audience to get them to engage with you and obviously either purchase something or to request quotes, whatever your business needs.
Very cool. And I know there's a newsletter sign up at ai.trailblaze.marketing. So you're going to want to subscribe so you can be the first one to know when these new tools are coming out. And I know there's some other tools on the horizon, but they're in the early stages. So they have project names like Project Atlas and Project Avatar. We can't quite let you know about that, but stay tuned. You'll be the first one to know when all these AI tools are coming out available for you for free. So, Kyle, thank you so much for joining us. Great job in developing these AI tools and making it better for small businesses to do marketing.